Okay, so getting straight to the point, this is the application which I developed, Queryexplorer, and deployed. First of all, I will speak one by one about each component in application, feature present here, and how it will help user and data analyst. So first one which we are having is theme toggler. It allows user to switch between dark mode and light mode for better readability. And here the next one is test queries. Here are all the predefined SQL queries. Each query has some brief description, like list all products over here. When we click on any of the test query here, the corresponding SQL statement is automatically inserted into the editor, so it makes testing easy to test predefined queries. When we click on run query, corresponding result is displayed in tabular format here. So the next component which we are having is databases and tables. When clicked on database, it expands to show its associated tables, and each table further expands to reveal its schema, which is basically the column name and corresponding data type. So this feature provides an easy visual representation of the database structure, helps user quickly check table schemas without actually running separate queries. So the next component which we are having over here is SQL query editor. So I implemented this using code mirror. So this supports SQL syntax and also helps in auto completion, like I'm writing select and it is suggesting select enter. So star from products. Okay, so the query is executed and the result is displayed over here. So auto completion speeds up query writing and it also minimizes errors, so users can quickly test queries and see results. So speaking about the query results section, so here the results are displayed in a tabular format. So here we are having one option and one feature of filtering. It helps data analysts filter data from table and analyze it quickly. It allowed to filter tables without actually writing and running explicit SQL query. For example, if I want all the rows with supplier ID 1, supplier ID, the operator is equals to 1. And when I say apply filter, all the rows with supplier ID 1 will be displayed over here. So this makes data analysis more efficient by allowing quick filtering. So it also provides structured and easy to read tabular format data. It's supported for large data sets by offering pagination, as we can see number of rows per page. So if I run select star from products, here we are having 77 rows, so we can select 50 and we can navigate across different pages to view different rows. Speaking about the query history, on the right side it maintains log of executed queries along with their timestamps. Clicking on any of query opens a pop-up dialog displaying its result with pagination here also. This helps user to revisit past queries without retyping them, which saves time uh, for while analyzing past executions. Speaking about responsiveness, the application is fully responsive, ensuring seamless experience on mobile devices. Also, we can run query order ID equals to 10250, and we can see results over here. Yeah, so this responsiveness improves usability on different screen sizes and also enhances readability with the theme customization provided. Speaking about the technical decisions made, this is built using React, TypeScript, and White. uh, for modular front end. Material UI is used. Code mirror is used for SQL query editor. Data which is being displayed over here is stored in CSV files in public folder. The CSV files are the one which are provided in documentation only, the Northwind database. Speaking about the challenges faced, actually implementing the feature was straightforward because, as mentioned in doc, the input and output were not to be in sync. The real challenge for me was to optimize the performance of application. The application needed to display large data efficiently without lagging. So there were some key optimizations made using React callbacks and memoization to prevent unnecessary re-renders and optimize component performances. lazy loading and suspense. So I have implemented lazy loading. Suppose I am clicking refresh, so we can see loading editor, loading results, loading databases, and loading query history for one more time. Yeah. So it reduced initial load time and improved responsiveness. Accessibility using area labels for interactive elements, used map with appropriate key to improve list rendering efficiency, with features like test queries, database exploration, and intelligent SQL editor, filtering options, query history, and a responsive design. This will significantly improve the SQL querying experience for users and data analysts also. Thank you for watching.